Hello, fifth grade. I'm here today to do more subtraction with decimals with you. This time we'll be going all the way to the thousandths place. I'm in your workbook on page 188, and you need to do numbers 1 through 9 on page 188. If you look at 1 through 4, you can see that we have parentheses in each expression. Remember, you always do what's in parentheses first. So I'm going to do number 1 with you. So number 1, we have 4 minus 4 and 357 thousandths minus 2 and 809 thousandths. So we have to do what's in parentheses first. So to make sure we align 4 and 357 thousandths minus 2 and 809 thousandths. Okay, so I need to regroup because I can't do 7 minus 9. So I will regroup 4 hundredths as 10 thousandths. Now I can do 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I can't do 3 minus 8, so I need to regroup for my ones. Regroup 4 ones as 3 ones and 10 tenths. So now I have 13 tenths. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so this part equals 1 and 548 thousandths. Now I need to subtract 4 minus 1 and 548 thousandths. So when I write that, it's 4, and then 1 goes in the ones place, and then I have my tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Now since this is a whole number, I can put a decimal point, and I can put zeros after the decimal point. And 4 and 0 thousandths is the same thing as 4. So now I need to regroup. All right, so I don't have any tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. I need to go all the way over to my ones place. And I'm going to regroup 4 ones as 3 ones and 10 tenths. Then I'm going to regroup 10 tenths as 9 tenths and 10 hundredths. Then I'm going to regroup 10 hundredths as 9 hundredths and 10 thousandths. And now I can subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the solution to this expression is 2 and 452 thousandths. And now I'm going to go to the second part. You have to find the missing minuend or subtrahend. The minuend is the top number. The subtrahend is the second number. And the difference is the answer. All right, so number 5, I'm missing the minuend. So let's just look at a problem. Here, if I have 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right, if I had a box minus 3 equals 4, how would I figure out what goes in the box? Well, I would add 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, if I have 7 minus and I have a box equals 4, how do I find the box? 7 minus 4 equals 3. That's exactly what you have to do on 5 through 9. So on number 5, we're missing this number right here. I have something minus 462 thousandths equals 1 and 215 thousandths. Okay, and I know that if I was missing my minuend, I take the difference plus the subtrahend. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I just need to add 1 and 215 thousandths plus 462 thousandths. And that will give me my top number. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so this is what goes right there. 1 and 677 thousandths. All right, and then on number 6, I need to find my second number here. Remember, when I looked over here, if I knew 7 minus blank equals 4, I had to do 7 minus 4 to get my 3. So that's exactly what I'll do on number 6. So I have 2 and 831 thousandths minus something equals 1 and 673 thousandths. So I'm going to find my missing number by subtracting 2 and 831 thousandths minus 1 and 673 thousandths. because 7 minus 3 is 4, so 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, so I need to regroup. So I have 11 thousandths. Now 11 minus 3 is 8. Need to regroup again. 12 minus 7 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So the number that's missing here is 1 and 158 thousandths. Okay, so I did 3 of the problems, and you only have to do 1 through 9, so that just leaves you 6 problems that you need to do. You do not have to do the problem solving, just 1 through 9.